Are you trying to save money by cutting out coupons and making coffee at home? If so, you're wasting your time, and you need to hear what I'm about to tell you. What if I told you that your mindset is the biggest thing that's holding you back from achieving the success you have always wanted? Well, it's true, and if it sounds like I'm quoting a corny motivational poster, just hear me out. If you're stuck with an attitude that money is difficult to make and you need to save every penny, guess what? You will never get to live the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. The good news is, it's not too late to give yourself a fresh start. Today we're going to show you exactly where you've been going wrong and how to fix it. And we are starting right now. Let's start by briefly explaining what money actually is and what it isn't. Of course, you already know what money is, but we need to take a quick step back and zoom out so we can start to put the pieces back together in a different way. For the sake of keeping this as clear and brief as possible, let's assume you're watching this video from the United States. The US dollar has value because all of the people living in the country believe it has value. Whether you want to buy a new car or a bottle of water, the seller and the buyer both trust their dollars will be accepted and desired by the person on the other side of the transaction. That's it. That is the entire purpose of money. It's a convenient way for buyers and sellers to both get exactly what they want every time they buy and sell something. It is often said that money is evil and rich people are greedy. But how is it possible, since money is nothing more than an agreed-upon method to execute transactions? This is where mindset starts to enter the picture. And this is where many people start to make mistakes which cause them be stuck in the mud. Now you might be wondering, what do my belief systems have to do with the numbers in my bank account? Well, there are two more facts about money that we haven't talked about yet. And once you learn them, it will help you on your journey to an attitude which allows you to make more money. Number one, money is everywhere. When people complain about money, what types of things do they usually say? They don't have enough. Their job doesn't pay enough. Everything is getting more expensive, but their salary is staying the same. Well, guess what? These people are not wrong about the reality. Inflation has gone crazy in recent years, but they are approaching the problem from the wrong perspective. In 2024, the opportunities that people have to earn money are unlimited. People are earning millions of dollars per year playing video games and streaming on Twitch. And anybody who owns a vehicle or can ride a bicycle can simply download an app on their phone and pick up a part-time job as a courier. We will explore more about the problem behind this mindset later in the video, but for now, please understand, the world has more money floating around now than it ever has before. But it's up to you to make the most of the opportunity, which leads us into our next point. Number two. Money isn't real. As we have talked about earlier, money is nothing more than an agreement so that a transaction can take place. It is just numbers printed on a piece of paper or sitting in an account that you can view on your phone. What does this mean for us? Well, because it has no predetermined value, everybody will have their own opinion on how much it means to them. What that means is that everyone will have their own definition of what a lot of money is to them. There is no right or wrong answer to this question. Some people think $100 is a lot of money, and some people are able to spend $20,000 per night on a hotel room. So, do you see how subjective the value of money is? Your limiting beliefs towards money exist entirely in your head. The amount of money you made yesterday has nothing to do with how much you are able to make tomorrow. Literally anyone can turn their life around with money, but it starts with a change of mindset. Now let's talk about the types of behavior that are currently holding you back. If you have spent any amount of time researching the world of personal finance and investing, there is a 100% chance that someone has told you that the secret trick to becoming rich is to stop buying expensive coffee and you should make your own at home instead. Well, I'm sorry to tell you, but where you buy your coffee doesn't matter. Ask any millionaire how they became rich and they will tell you that it was from their business, not because they didn't spend $3 per day at the coffee shop. Also, another popular tip from fake gurus is to cancel your Netflix subscription or your gym membership. I don't know about you, but personally, I believe in a lifestyle where I'm able to work hard, drink a nice coffee, exercise, and enjoy watching a movie. The problem with these limiting beliefs and lifestyle choices becoming so popular is that they cause the person who believes in them to be in a defensive mindset when it comes to money. If you have the money and you enjoy $12 coffee, I say go for it. Whatever your current situation is, don't let where you get your caffeine fix make you feel like it's impossible for you to succeed. Next, let's talk about the fantasy most people have about hitting it big at the casino or buying a winning lottery ticket. The belief that buying a single lottery ticket could instantly make you rich is not only false, but it is also a risky way of thinking. In reality, the odds of winning the lottery are basically zero. It's not a reliable method for making money. Instead, it's an easy way to waste money that could be used more wisely. Wealthy people get this, and instead of banking on luck, they concentrate on growing their wealth through businesses, investments, and other more reliable methods. One of the most common mistakes we see in people who are not as financially successful as they would like to be is that they put emphasis on money instead of time. Wealthy people understand the true value of time and how it is a non-renewable resource. They know that once the moment has passed, it's gone forever, and no amount of money can bring it back. So they focus on maximizing their time, investing it wisely in things that will yield long-term benefits, such as building their business, learning new skills, or nurturing relationships. They don't waste time trying to save a few dollars on coffee because they know that their time is worth far more than that. Money should be free-flowing and abundant, not something that you hold close to your chest. You should be careful about how you spend it, but know when to let go and enjoy the ride once in a while. After all, money is renewable, time isn't. And if you're looking to free up your time and save some money on payroll to spend on coffee, head on over to hire-ua.com. We specialize in matching up our elite Eastern European talent with growing businesses like yours. Our candidates are highly educated and speak fluent English. You'll save an average of 80% compared to hiring local in a Western country and free up your most valuable resource, your time. Book a call today and you'll be ready to interview a short list of candidates in less than 1 week. And if you're looking for more business and lifestyle hits, make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out this other video here.